him ex-woman call? Really? Really? What you say when you call me?
Again.
Hello?
I watch out something from man, I see a talk on it here.
You just sit down and watch out my page.
Yes, because you know that my good son. I watch it out to see if I can run, come over and come look, see it to me. All I know, I see nothing to upon it. I say, but I can cross his days.
We just don't finish.
Listen.
I'm not reaching on my business.
I bet you lay down in there.
Every day you lay down in a bed, what do you say? What do you say? You got lay down in a bed. That's a good thing, girl.
I know me alone.
Yeah.
If I'm me alone, I'm lay
Hold
down.
on, may I get one call? Hold on there, Jane. Hello?
Hello. Good afternoon. Is this Dana?
Yeah. Who is this?
Dear, I'm something to tell you your husband. You know what I'm going to
Huh?
Right, you're not going to know me and me, but I'm just tell you your husband is doing good feel. He's a woman and you never care going away?
If you ever carry me going away?
Yeah, like, party also.
Who is this?
You're not going to know me and who. I am just a messenger. I ask you a question, you're not going to know me and who. Just know, say, means that angels been from heaven to see it now, from your wicked head husband. The man is a woman like her.
Really?
You know, we are murdering, you know, when we are party and stuff. Every time I see my party, I look woman and then think that a man is friend when you're matching. I know I'm a good man, but I see up on her, huge one and thing, and I see her and get the number. And I say, no man, I have to save that woman you can. Watching for the video, then all my laugh and I go on and do good to the woman. And I can check there, run for your life.
So you're not telling me you're who?
No, there's nothing to know that.
Where you live?
You don't have to know that neither.
Really?
Just know what I say, I live close, very close by.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, I'm good away my talk to right now.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And a good man, you see me? Make him chicken one. Probably chicken enough, but sometimes some things have to come to an end. And it's not a good look when, to me, to only see upon the video them and say, look, it's a nice lady.
Yeah.
But,
All right, so where the girl come from, where I talk to?
where the girl come from, we can't get that information there. In the same area. We can't get that information there.
Okay.
Ask him, he knew exactly where she come from.
What she look like?
We can't give her that. Because probably you find out something and then this I go just see it. We can't tell her that.
Okay.
Just know say them dancehall party girl there. Yeah.
But him not like that though. Him not like dancehall party girl.
Well, so no say it always going on and say somebody time the man them know why you have to do this and them know why you have to do that, but them they go look them woman there. You never know. You can't say they make him trick you when I like dancehall party girl. So how him with inner dancehall look woman and now we him ring when him in a dancehall. That's the way you think say him no like them girl.
Why you all laugh?
Like, anyways, he's just a messenger. So if you want believe, you believe. Because them say believe can cure. But just know say the man is not good for you.
Okay then.
Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And you don't have to know me at all. You already have my phone number. And the girl I'm talking to right now, me know, is a friend of mine. Me not have to tell you which part she come from. Same area where I live in. Same area. Him know. So you ask him. You understand me? Yeah. Make him tell you. I think him are the best person to tell you that part if you give the further information. But for now, yeah.
So how you get me number?
You know, hear me say, I see upon YouTube and all kind of things, I'm a source the number. Because it look like you some go cooking things to one you there. So, yeah, I source the number. I'm saying, I have to tell the lady, yeah. In 2 wicked man, you could all have picked me out there where you people know go. Gina. Nobody think you must see him, you know? Can you say look like you must see him from the building and him can't much hands? I see it on that.
You have to tell me something. Like, I want to know, like, how you know him.
Alright, you know what I'm going to do?
Yeah.
I'm going to see you one picture with him and them. I want a video. Don't worry yourself.
Okay. So you have the video now or you have the video now or you
No, you have to ask him about it first, and then know when him deny it, we send you the video.
Okay. But
So
I
ask
want
him about it first. Then if him deny it now, I'm going to shut the video.
Oh, so you actually have a video with him?
Yeah, video can't tell lie because guess what? It cannot alter with it like that. Like picture, analyze picture where you can Photoshop. You can Photoshop video. So you can say a Photoshop. So ask him about it first, and then if he deny it now, we'll give you further information. But for now, I just write the straight as a steer.
Alright, so I'm going to put him on the phone and see if him can clarify what you say. I want him to ask you. You know if you put him on the phone?
I don't know what you want to do. But me just say to you the message, you understand, people start that out to.
Alright.
I'm not afraid of him. I can't tell him. He's going to do things too. So he's a wicked man. And full of women out in the street. You're saying the carrying a party. He man in front of me, Matthew, hey, the things are them easy. You gotta stay there. So, you say him look like she in front of the video then. She's a good man.
Okay then. So alright, so I'm gonna call him. I want to find out from him.
Alright.
But I don't mind if you could have sent me the video so I can see what you are saying. Alright, so I'm gonna call him and then make him find out, ask you then which part you see him or where you know him from.
Alright.
We can call you back on a number here?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, let me call him. Hold on. H! Come here! So, this lady called me and tell me, say, she know you
What's that?
she know you have a woman.
What's that?
This lady called me and tell me, say, she know you
You
have a woman.
want to pull a woman in the industry, you go like a channel on the video them, on the YouTube video them, you pull a woman.
Who this?
You don't have to know, just know so you know you and your friend.
So when I
When you do a party, you take off your ring, you don't wear your ring. I am there with one of my friends them right now.
Really?
I deny it, me just send the wife the video.
Alright, me deny it. Me deny it. Listen up, me deny it. So send the video.
You deny it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Send the video.
Alright, no worries.
Send the video.
Stop taking the woman for fool.
Which woman?
Your wife, stop taking your wife for fool, because you know say full of women in the street. In the cars and the party with your catch.
But my wife on a party person. My wife on a party person. Enough
You
time.
have to be party person.
But you say me not carry her. You say me not carry her.
If I even one time I never see you with her yet, or you ever look at that woman in the party,
Really?
you can't say that's a lie.
You can't say what?
You can't say that's a lie now.
Me I say that a lie. So send the video.
You're a liar if you say that's a lie.
Well, prove it then. You say you have video, send it.
Yeah. So you know look woman when they're in a party.
Wait, alright. You say you have proof.
Yeah, your friend name Matthew.
Not tell me.
Almost every party every other week. You know look woman in the party.
This is what me I say. This is what me I say. Me I deny what you say. So send the video.
Yeah, but deny it because you're in front of your wife, but video can't say lie. Video can't say lie now. But you have to deny it because you see when you play like you're saint, so you have to continue to be like you're saint until you're proven guilty.
So you know me? You see me in a party?
Personally.
And me talk to you? Me talk to you?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah? So me ever look at it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, sir. What me tell you, sir? When me I look at you, what me tell you?
Yeah, ask the number, all these things, the man said to woman and them are looking.
Just-
Very easy.
Just ask the number.
See, I'm like, oh, every man look woman.
Me no know about-
Love and start the things the man till they reach the party. Yes, you ask the number too. You not just ask the number, you say other things before you reach the party.
Like
Oh,
what,
man
sir?
look woman, man not just look woman, so just ask the number.
So like what other things me say?
Come on, we don't have to go this though.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, try.
See, you're like, oh, you look the rest of woman them, cause I must the same thing you tell them.
Listen up. My wife the writer so the two of the writer so in front of the phone. You call and you accuse me of something. You accuse me of something. So talk up the things then. Convince my wife. My wife not convinced. Convince her. She not convinced. Convince her. Talk some things.
I'm not trying to convince her, no, I just put her up on her yard.
But she not gonna go on her guard. You know how long now we're together? You know how long now we're together? You have to come up with more things.
That not have nothing to do with me.
Listen up. Listen what me I
So the
say.
wicked and stay out when not the woman them there long time.
Listen what me I
On
say.
the phone go with things
Listen.
and the woman them a good woman too, no.
Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say.
All long we together and have nothing to do with the situation.
That's what. No, listen what me I say now.
Yeah, but-
Listen what me I say. Me and her
Yeah,
they me and her together a long time now. So you have to come up.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
listen,
listen now. Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say.
You not care about
Listen what me I say. You have to come up with more things to convince her. You have to come up with more things to convince her.
Listen to me. You get the woman will leave a bum. So the mother come talk about say, only the 100 years now. That's
Yeah,
not
but you have to convince her. You have to say more things to convince her.
so
She don't
that's
believe
why
you.
I'm telling her, I'm just send her a video, don't worry yourself.
Me not worry. Just send the video.
Video can't tell her. Yes, so what you have fight this situation for? That's how it is.
Are you calling her? You calling and say this and say that. But you need to. If a man walk up to you and say, listen up. If a man walk up to you and say, can I have your number? You don't consider it. Say, man, look here.
Of course, why would you want my number? Me not do business. So why would a man walk up to me and say, if him can't get my number?
No, you fi ask him why. You fi ask the man why. You can't just run with it and say, look here, man, look here.
It means a business to you, so that's why I want my number. Why you don't want a woman? Why you don't see a woman in a party and put arguments to her until you reach this stuff?
No. If a man walk up to you and say, can I have your number? Because that you say, me say to you, you know.
Me never tell you that. Me never say those say. You say other things.
Like what?
Me not go in that detail.
Oh, then what you call for then? So what you call for? If you not call, you call for convince my wife. Then you have to go in the details.
I tell her.
Go in the details.
But just I tell her, and if you deny everything now, so then that's a force me to send her the video. You see me? So now we're yourself, boss. They say, you don't do nothing, you don't do nothing. So you don't have no for prep. But me know so when she see the video now, you have to say a Photoshop.
Are you got this? Yeah, you got this. Everything blow up. From the moment you know stop the video.
Right.
And she can't go in on a date. What she call her for? If you ever call her I blow up somebody, you have to have more information. You know stop the video.
I know.
At first, me did believe in it. It catch me at first. But when you see you not stop the video, she now going on the details. And I said, call him. And she now ask certain questions. You now ask certain questions. You now try to get.
You don't know her.
I try to pick up the voice, you know. I try to pick up the voice.
Yo, you got him at one point, I swear.
No.
You got him, but me I try to hold it up still, but it's like, you know, me I look like my last and rare and blah blah. Yo, man.
Because some question when me I expect to hear you ask. So it's a random person call and I say, what am I saying?
Yeah.
Me I expect to hear you ask certain questions.
Ask
like
you.
to get proof of more convinced. I mean, hear you ask.
It's like me don't know if you
I mean,
ask.
I tell you if you ask.
That's why I have to say, but I'm giving up information.
Because you don't know what to say. Because you don't know what to say, right?
The good thing about it, you know, you caught him, you know, at one point you really do, because my sister you get caught.
No, listen.
You get caught,
Listen
don't
what,
lie.
Listen what I say. Listen, more than call it get caught.
Yeah.
You see, for something.
If a man walk up to you and ask for your number, you can consider that I look him up to.
Do I not get that? Me just try to prove you, like, for you come up with more things.
Me tell you now, me say, him not easy for prank, you know, brother. Him not easy for prank, but it's like, oh, in there you laugh. It's like, at one point you can see, say,
Me I try to catch your voice. Me I try to catch your voice. That's one of the things. Me I try to catch your voice. And then me ask you where you live. Because the
era code not have
thing-
nothing to do with it.
You know, I have nothing to do with it.
The era
But,
code not have nothing to do with it.
but she said a couple of things, you know, where me know say it don't add up. You know. So it's either somebody just a fool around and
What
a lie.
is the couple things?
Alright, first thing she said, me know her, me and look her. When she said that, me know say nothing no go so it's either somebody literally a lie from me.
Yeah.
Me not look nobody out there.
Yeah.
So when she said that part there,
It kind of show you off
Yeah.
and know say it
I
not
said,
real.
Look at you. So I said, when I said to you then, when
I kind of understand what you are saying now, because to be honest, you know, say, I have people will tell me point blank, so when them see you at a party, and this is no joke, when them see you at a party, you're the one side, or when your friend them enjoy themselves, you just have a drink and enjoy yourself. Me have people will tell me that.
me tell you that too.
You understand? So, but it can be different place. But to be honest, Max not really gone away. Apart from when we go out, like on a Friday night, Max either always there at work, although man can left from work and go do what they do. But me know
the topic come up on
yeah,
party.
but me know which part. Me know when he left work, in time when he left work, and me know him. Me know him time when him come home, me know him time when him leave work, and me know a time when him normally would have be if him a go, you know, work extra, him would have normally call me and tell me so.
Come here, try find out, and I try catch a voice.
You don't know the voice.
One time she want hang up, you know.
Yeah.
It's a app.
Huh?
It's a up.
Oh, so your voice change up.
No, you don't know her.
Everybody call to mine now, but I don't between them. Here a code, but I show for a long time I have the number upon it.
Oh. It's a Florida number. It's a Florida number.
Florida call, so that's why I'm going to put a Florida
So.
area code.
One of the time she want hang up. I mean I said then if it's a call like this, so I tell her get some drink for me. Why you want hang up? Make it stay and call me. I mean tell her to call me, you know. bring me night, you know. Come
But
there and
Max sit down right there, so I listen to everything already. But he might make it look like him.
So when you say, me I go call him, he
Yeah,
don't hear
him don't hear everything. He
Yeah.
dey on speaker and he might hear everything.
come on, come in because me know you share ask certain question. So me want come ask them.
Yeah,
Because if somebody call me and tell me about
That's funny.
about my wife or whatever, trust me.
Yeah.
When me done question them,
me I gonna name that video that he got caught. Jeez and peace, that gonna blow up.
well if you okay, you have name it so then name it so. In the beginning, me not lie. So when you just call,
Yeah.
when you just call, cause remember, you know, when you just call and I listen, you know. But me,
Yeah.
it kind of get me them time then. Like it's like somebody call, but the things that when I say I lie though, you know, but it get me in a sense like the person will call, I set me up then.
Yeah.
Like it's somebody has set me up. Or I try to, you know. So me I listen. You kind of get me in a desert, but me I listen, me I wait for hear you come out with more things, like
Right.
more information. I'm in a you're done and ask a certain question. I mean if you tell her what
because me I penetrate what she has say and me I process it because me never tell her what she fi say. Me just give her a little bit of ideas and me never really tell her what she fi say. So that's why me I penetrate and I listen what she
can
has
prank,
say.
you know. You can prank, man. You have to, because if you did ask certain question a while ago, you'd get me more. You'd get me.
Yeah.
Like
And I get you.
yeah. But at the same time, me know me not guilty, so me not worry about nothing. But me not more believe say it's a random person. But me know you ask certain question and me have to say, ask her this, ask her that. I mean whisper and I tell her to ask her certain things, you know.
Come on.
But you're going still, you're going. You bet me not even finish my breakfast.
You see?
I never meant to. I am very sorry.
Oh God, you're not even finishing appetite drop.
No, this interested, you know, it's an interested call. So.
Because why you want to say somebody has set you up or you want to say somebody if I like
We know say I know somebody, alright, that two way me look on it. Is that the person just a call for set me up to tell lie or a prank.
Them just want to mash up your marriage.
Yeah, or a prank. Because you run down my mind already for say if a prank. Because I look on Dana, I look on her and I listen to you, I look on her. I look on you through the camera. I hear you ask certain questions.
because me I leave you for ask. Me want you to clarify what you do out there.
Me not gonna just compare. Even if we out there and do something.
Remember, if it was real, you know, I feel like this, you know, when a woman like hears certain things, you know, I think for ask the question, I want thing that your mind is. You just imagine you're with somebody else. So you know, that not people, certain things now come to your mind for ask no question.
Trust me, Dana
Because
got
you're
ask.
quicker to believe what you hear.
Dana got
But
ask
wherever it
question.
comes to man.
She would have asked question. She would have asked. I mean, no one like that, so she'd have asked question because the stronger side are nah believe. Would not believe. Not saying it something couldn't go say, you know.
Yeah, a strong part of me because to be honest to you, it not give me no reason for actually feel that. I mean, apart from me telling him sometimes say if we walk out here I leave him with the band.
Alright. That is another part when me hear she say
What the
take
wedding
off your
band.
ready. And you always have said that.
Yeah.
Alright, that's when it's that gateway. Because you always have said that. And when me hear she said that, me I said to myself, say, yeah man, you are something where you said to
Oh
you
my
tell
God.
someone
Maybe
the
me
part that come from.
Maybe me should have said I'll tell you that part there.
Just like how you say,
Yeah.
that's what she say. You take off your ring when you take off your ring when you got a party.
No, not
If
just
she
party,
did
but
say-
sometimes
if
you
she
just
did say-
step out of the house and left it. So me say, wait, you know, mean something here where you left it, we always say that here. Put it on
You see, if she did say, me not see me on a ring on him there party,
Yeah,
or so,
yeah.
it would have sound more like, you know. But she has said, him take off his ring when him there. You always have said that. So that sound familiar in my ears. You say wait, like are you right? That song, yeah.
Chevelle will get him. Chevelle will get him. Chevelle will get him. We get him at one point. We did.
If you don't want to call it, so you want to get me, then call it, so run with it. Run with it. So.
He got caught. That's what the video. Yes.
Still I wait for the video though. I can't wait for you to send the video. Send the video.
Alright, then.
Yeah, later. Bless up yourself.
Yeah.
Alright, I wait for the video, yeah?
She gone.
Gracie, you know.
She good, you know. Yeah. Gracie not no patient. I go call she, you know.
But how long this man?
Ewa. Let me talk to Gracie and tell her, I said, this girl called me.
Tell her things.
Yes.
Make it sound like her.
Yeah. You don't say nothing. Grace? Jesus, you know, unknown manners. Gracie,
What?
you know, say, somebody called me a while ago and tell me, say, Max a cheat.
Okay.
Somebody called me out. Somebody called me a while ago and tell me, say, Max a cheat.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All the person know that.
So they see my party.
What? When they?
Him upstairs.
No.
No.
No, make it.
Why?
No, don't say nothing yet. You
Why?
can't just hear Dana, relax. Somebody who you that just like me,
I don't know the person.
you don't know the person?
No.
No, but you cannot say that. You don't know the person. Who them get your number, Dana?
Me no know.
Dana, don't believe that. No, that's the first thing. Listen to me. You don't know the person. How the person get your number?
Me no know.
If the person call it is him and the person cheat,
No.
that is the only way you could have believed it. Because the person that get your number out of the phone. Understand me?
Right.
Don't say anything. You're going to watch and you're going to look. Don't jump the guns yet, because if you don't know the person, how the freak the person get your number?
But Gracie, you think so me can't live with that?
People eat on people that are on life are going good. Wait and watch and look and see. Take my full advice. You don't know the person and the person don't know. How the freak that person is going to come and tell you about your husband.
But that not gonna make me feel comfortable.
Listen to me, you have to. You have to be your own freaking detective. You're not stupid. You're going to watch and you're going to look and you're going to see and you're something change, Dana. We are woman, we're not stupid. Alright? Don't say no. Hold your asses.
Really?
If it was a person like me, yes, Dana. If it was a person like me, Sharon, or one, I will see something. I will say it to you. The person don't know, you don't know what the freak the person get your number. You try to ask them who them is, them have a picture, then send your picture, say more than call it, then send your proof or something.
She said she gonna send me one video.
Okay, when she send you the video, wait on the video, alright? But
Yeah.
no jump, no guns yet.
Gracie, you
Yes.
you defend Max 24/7.
I don't defend
Gracie, you defend Max 20.
You're not my friend. You're not my friend. You're not my friend. I'm not going to judge no guns.
You tell her the right thing, Gracie.
Not a good girl.
I tell her the right
I
thing.
feel like to come over there, come beat.
You tell her the right thing, Gracie.
No, but when you ever run, come to your come stay.
Yeah.
Gracie,
She not no proof.
oh my God, loyalty. Your loyalty, man. Your loyalty.
I feel like the beat you. Dana.
Somebody call for two.
Real loyalty.
Somebody call for two, Gracie. Somebody just call.
Somebody call for truth, but I mean set up the call and prank Max.
Oh my God.
Yes, this is one yeah epic. You can that video yeah epic. Epic. Me I tell you. It's two in a one. Epicness.
I feel like the beat up Dana.
Yes, you have to start think out of the box now and make the game get stormy.
Oh
When you
my
come over
God.
here, when you come over here, again, beat her.
Yo, guys. Next time, trust me. I have to go edit this on the computer because it got big.
I would say you come call me and I put me in a mix up. I want to beat you up.
Ay, Lord of God have mercy, I can't
Yeah,
bother.
tell me about say me I defend Max. I can't defend Max. I defend on the life.
Yeah, you're a real friend. Loyalty, you're a real friend, you know. Because enough people would have said, you know, the emote they are do it, or if them not know, them try to convince me and say wherever, you know.
And tell the foolishness.
And tell me foolishness, I make me head start hurt me. Stress me out. Yeah.
But not set me up so low.
Well, you have to expect the unexpected sometime, you know. But you see, when you have real people, I saw you do them, you know. When you have real people and you know, say you have real people around you, as much as all your mouth want to wash out with J's. It was bleach. Cause me no know.
They know say Max and Gavin from Shark Line now we know but people see me and they know him as right from.
Gracie, me know, sir, you advise. Me know exactly what you going to say.
No, me can't tell her say, oh run go on whatever. No, when the life is going good, people jealous, people out there will be haters. So me can't how the person get your number. You don't know no, you can't.
Yeah.
Can't.
That was so fun. So much fun.
You have to stop answer certain thing when you say to me because now me see you in this prank business and you know my mouth not nice, you know. Oh.
Gracie, you come up with the first prank for Max, you know, you.
Me know.
They do the prank. Bite your congy. Good. Me I go edit my video right now. Me need Chevron.
Alright, go on and make me see it. I watch it.
Yeah, later.
Yeah, cool.
Guys, we got you. We got you.